In this video, I would like to show you a two-wheel BO motor, that is battery operated small motor driven car. I have done it for my grandson. Nothing complicated, no Arduino. This is the simplest configuration. You can make a toy car. People are calling it a robot. Let us see the car now. This is the car. This is the bottom. This is the top. You have this on-off switch. Then you have this direction. Front moving, reverse moving, forward, reverse for direction. This on-off switch, I made a slot here. This is the back Perspex sheet. You can buy it from your local market, or it is available in Amazon India. Okay, while making holes, make sure you use something like a hand driven drill. Always make holes with small drill bits, smaller size drill bits. Let us say 2.8 mm or 3.2 mm. Then you make bigger hole, and then you can cut the slot. For this on-off switch, you have to make a rectangular slot with a thin file like this. You can make the slot. Okay. Then this is the forward reverse switch. This requires to be double pole, double throw. Now these are the two BO motors. These are supposed to be 100 RPM. They are supposed to draw around 50-60 milliamps when there is no load. On load they may draw up to 150 milliamps each. Okay. Then these are the wheels. This is a spare wheel. Actually, this wheel will not fit directly here. Directly, you have to do some kind of chiseling here. It was not fitting. So this is the 100 RPM BO motor. This is another variety, L-shaped. These are two wheels. So basically, a car cannot run with two wheels. Ideally we should have four wheels, but you can save some money. And the simplest one is you put a caster here so that on the front side it will be guiding. Okay, so this caster also you can buy from electronic spares shops. Okay, so how to fix this one? These are M3 screws. I have used plastic spacing. Okay, plastic spacing, three sides. So M3 screws with plastic spacing. So you adjust the height so that it will come somewhat in level with this wheels. When you keep like this, it should touch the bottom like this. Okay. Then this is powered by a lithium-ion battery. I purchased a holder for this, single cell. This is the power switch, on-off switch. Only two pins are used. Luckily, I was able to fix this quite inside this caster wheel. Okay, this is the forward and reverse switch. Okay, so you can see the circuit diagram to see the connections. Okay, so that's all. For charging the power, I made I took another battery holder like this and then glued charger PCB, lithium-ion charger PCB. So you can always charge outside and replace here. Be careful. These battery connections should go to B plus, B minus indicated here. By mistake I connected at these points, plus in, minus in and all that. Then two batteries got spoiled. So be careful. Thank God there was no fire accident or anything. There is another type of wheel also available, whereas this screw you can adjust. If you want, you can buy this wheel. This is the circuit diagram. So we have two BO motors. They are connected parallel like this. The power is coming from the two poles of this DP-DT switch. Okay, do not bother which one is plus, which one is minus. They are just connected parallel and power is applied from these poles. Okay. Whether plus is applied to one point or minus is applied to one point is dictated by the position of this forward and reverse switch. So you can see that battery is connected to this on-off switch. So this is the plus sign coming in. This is the minus sign coming in. So this is plus battery volts. This is minus battery volts. Then this is actually connected to the opposite contact. This is connected to the opposite contact. Okay, so they get reversed when you flip the switch. Those connections will be reversed when connecting to these poles. Okay, so these poles are supplying power to the motors. That's how it is. Direction reversal is happening. I think that's all. In this video I tried to show you a simple battery operated motor toy car, how to make it without using Arduino and all that. A simple one which I plan to give it to my grandson. So there are a lot of videos on this. So anyway, I don't know what difference mine will make. So thank you very much for watching.